Hello to my fellow VA. So here I am. I am sharing another um, good software or platform for you. So if you are getting paid in USD, do you know how much is deducted from our salary when we use PayPal or Wise? Well, for PayPal, they have immediately 4.4% fees. Then, yung conversion din kay PayPal is sobrang baba. So, for example, kung yung palitan ng peso to dollar is $1 equals to 56 pesos, siguro kay PayPal, makukuha mo na lang is nasa around 53 or 54. Ganun siya kababa. Then, compared sa ibang mga platform, which means less pesos in your dollar conversion. Personally, madami na din akong experience kay PayPal since yung Facebook ko, yung monetization na nakukuha ng Facebook ko is dumediretso kay PayPal since wala naman talaga akong choice. And sobrang sakit kapag makita yung actual payout mo, then yung pumapasok na lang sa PayPal mo, it's like sobrang sayang, sobrang daming nababawas dahil sa fees. Pero hindi naman ako nandito para magreklamo. So, I am here to offer an alternative na recently ko lang talaga na-discover and ayoko siya i-gatekeep kasi talagang malaki yung natitipid ko sa conversion and also sa natitipid ko sa mga fees compared sa other platform na talagang ginagamit ko noon. So, recently ko lang din ako nag-convert into using this platform. So, it is called HiGlobe. So, HiGlobe is a platform for remote workers, contractors, and freelancers getting paid from US companies. You can have a free US account and receive your payments as if you were a US resident. I recently reviewed and used it. Kaya talagang sineshare ko sa inyo para na din mas makatipid kayo if you are getting paid in USD. So yeah, let's break it down for you para naman mag-switch ka na into PayPal Wise to HiGlobe. One of the main reason why I switched to HiGlobe is because of the real-time cost comparison. So later on, I will show you and discuss more about this real cost comparison and if it's worth it to switch to HiGlobe. So yeah, let's go to my screen. So now I will show you two computation between two different payment platforms and if it's worth it to switch to HiGlobe and ano nga ba yung pinagkaiba ng dalawang to. So let's say your client pays you $1,000. The current mid-market rate or yung palitan ng dollar to peso is currently 1 US dollars equals to 55.83 pesos. So, ang dapat na makukuha mo without any fees is 55,830. So, let's see the computation between PayPal and HiGlobe. So, calculation comparison. So, if you are using PayPal, so kay PayPal, yung receiving fee is 4.4% na agad. Receiving fee pa lang yon. Then, meron din silang fixed fee na 15 pesos or 0.26 USD once you transfer your balance. Then, yung pinakapangit kay PayPal is they have this lowest FX rate. So, they have 3%, which is worse. So, yung kung palitan ng USD is 55.83, ang makuha mo na lang kay PayPal is 54.16. So, ito yung step-by-step calculation natin. So, first is meron nga silang 4.4% receiving fee. So, from 1,000 US dollars, subtract this 4.4% receiving fee, ang matitira na lang sa'yo is 956. Now, you convert this 956 US dollars to Philippine peso, which is super lowest nga ng conversion ni PayPal. So, yung PayPal FX rates is 54.16. So, 956 times 54.16 is 51,758 na lang. Plus, yung fixed fee pa nila na 15 pesos. So, ang buong matatanggap mo na lang kay PayPal, using PayPal is 51,743. So, yung nabawas sa'yo using PayPal is 4,087. Biruin mo yon sa loob ng 1 year kung gaano kalaki yung talagang nababawas sa salary mo using PayPal. Now, let's go to HiGlobe. So, kay HiGlobe, the FX rate is 55.77. Point lang yung nabawas sa conversion ni HiGlobe. Sobrang malapit din sa mid-market na yung palitan is 55.83. Kay HiGlobe naman yung ibibigay nila sa'yo is 55.77 kasi meron lang silang 0.6% na FX spread. Another thing is yung wala silang receiving fee, so it's free. Meron lang sila na HiGlobe fees na $1 flat fee. So, meron din silang real-time calculator. So, ito yung calculator nila. Later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, sa $1,000 na na-receive mo, ang mababawas lang sa'yo is $1. plus yung conversion rate nila na 55.77. So using High Globe, ang buong matatanggap mo is 55,714. So minus that with, so yung matatanggap mo dapat is 55,830 minus 55,714. Bali yung kaltas lang ni High Globe is 116. Compared naman kay PayPal na almost 4,000. Ayun talaga yung nag-push sa akin na lumipat kay High Globe. If you are one of the people asking if High Globe is safe, if High Globe is legit, if it's secured, well, hindi ka nag-iisa. Well, even me, I am the type of person na hindi agad-agad magtitiwala sa kahit anumang platforms, or lalo na kung if it's payment platforms and yung pinag-uusapan natin or yung involved is yung mga pera na pinaghirapan natin. As in, hindi talaga muna ako magsasettle sa isang platform. So, before I use High Globe, I did my homework. I checked their security page first. Actually, available naman yung security nila, security information nila sa kanilang page under resources. And I was impressed. Well, they are not just claiming to be secure. They actually have this international certification to prove it. Let me show you this certification para na din malaman mo kung katiwa-tiwala ba sila. First is they have the SOC 2 Type 2 certification. Well, ano nga ba ito? So, it is a high-level security audit done by an independent third party. Basically, outside auditors came in and evaluated High Globe's internal system on how they will protect our personal info, the financial data, and how consistent their system practices are over time. So, hindi lang ito one-time na checking ha. It covers a period of time, usually several months, to check kung talagang secure at reliable nga ba ang system nila for the long term. While this certification focuses on 5 trust principles: security, availability, processing integrity, confidentiality, and privacy. So when a company passes SOC 2 Type 2, it means they are not just saying they're secured, they are proving it. So pwede mong ma-request yung certification nila to check more about this SOC 2 Type 2 certification upon request. So SOC 3 report, this is just a public version of SOC 2. So same audit, same standards. But ang pinagkaiba nito is pwede mong makuha agad-agad yung report nila. Pwede mong ma-check agad yung SOC 3 report or proof nila about this audit. So, it is perfect for customer like us who wants a proof na legit ang security nila. Another thing, hindi lang SOC 2 and SOC 3, they also have this Coalfire Digital Seal. Well, ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito? So, Coalfire is a well-known cybersecurity audit firm. They test the companies to make sure they are following strict security protocols. If a company gets a digital seal from Coalfire, it means their platform was independently audited, they pass security benchmark, they're trusted by professional and fintech, healthcare, and government sectors. In short, this seal is not just a logo, it's a proof of due diligence na talagang nagpapakita na High Globe is secured and safe. So, akala nyo tapos na? Hindi, marami pang bonus features and perks si High Globe. And it's giving you more reason to switch to High Globe. First one is automatic earnings. So you have 3% APY, annual percentage yield, which means with High Globe, you can keep your money in your balance and it earns up to 3% per year automatically. So while you wait for the next withdrawal, kung ayaw mo pa silang i-withdraw or ayaw mo pa silang gamitin, your savings with High Globe are growing. So hindi sila katulad ng ibang platform na natutulog lang yung pera mo. So High Globe, your savings are growing 3% APY. Gusto ko na hindi ko alam kung meron si PayPal or Wise is they have these safety warranties on up to $20,000. So para kang may safety coverage or may insurance yung mga money mo kay High Globe. If ever unexpected things happens, merong protection warranty na ibibigay si High Globe, or meron kang protection warranty up to $20,000. So, hindi ka talaga pababayaan ni High Globe. Hindi sila katulad ng ibang platforms na hindi ko alam kung meron silang safety warranties. Another thing is hindi boring kay High Globe because they have this referral program where you can earn extra $20. So if you have a lot of friends na nagsasahod ng USD from US, you can invite them, sign up with High Globe, and then once they receive at least $500 on their account from their clients, both of you, hindi lang ikaw, can get $20 each. Free money, right? So kung marami kang mga kapwa VAs, fellow VAs, or mga tinuturuan na nagsasahod ng USD, you can invite them to sign into High Globe para na din matulungan mo sila. And at the same time, maka $20 kayo na referral fee. Another thing is they have this High Globe gift cards. So kung gusto mong i-treat yung friends mo, yung boyfriend, girlfriend, yung parents mo, so High Globe you can also purchase gift cards. Then they can use it in local services or product as a gift card. So no need for conversion. You just need to use it directly. Then pwede sila sa Shopee, coffee, restaurant, pwede sila sa Google Play, Apple Play, Netflix. So it's like other usual gift cards. So High Globe also has that. Then another thing about it is you can connect different platforms. So they have this Upwork and Fiverr for freelancers. Kung gusto mo na directly pumasok yung mga earnings mo from Upwork or Fiverr, you can connect your High Globe to these platforms. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito? So ibig sabihin nito is you can get your own account number, ABA, routing number, where you can receive ACH wire transfer from US clients. So which means upon signing up to High Globe, you will immediately have your own US bank account. See, kahit hindi ka US resident, upon signing up, bibigyan ka nila ng your own US bank account, local US bank account. Parang ito. So as for me, ito yung High Globe account ko. So this is my High Globe customer ID. Then, ito yung receiving bank routing number. Then, meron din akong sariling customer account number, which means para na akong merong local US bank account kahit na hindi ako US resident, which means I can receive payments from US. But, disclaimer lang, yung bank account na ito is for professional use only. So, hindi siya pwedeng remittance. So, magagamit mo lang siya for professional, like salary from your US clients, business payout. If you have like digital business na nakabase sa US, pwede mo siyang magamit. So, the bank is called Cross River Bank. So, it is a local US bank na once na nakapag-open ka ng account kay High Globe, automatically meron ka ng sariling US bank account. Another thing is local bank transfer. So yes, marami po silang affiliated or accredited na Philippine bank. So here, meron silang BDO, BPI, meron din silang GCash. So you can choose any bank that you want, and another good thing is marireceive mo agad yung payout mo. So hindi mo na kailangan mag-antay ng ilang days or weeks para lang ma-receive yung payout mo. So it is very good for emergency payout. So here's the final summary on why I switched to High Globe and why I prefer High Globe now into receiving payments from US. So the first one is they don't have any receiving fee or hidden fees, unlike kay PayPal na meron na silang automatic na 4.4% fees. So kay High Globe wala silang ganon. Low FX spread, kaya mataas na palitan ng dollars into peso. So they only have 0.6%, unlike kay PayPal na 3%. Then may 3% APY earnings, so hindi natutulog yung pera mo kay High Globe. Instant bank transfers, 1 to 2 days, marireceive mo na yung payment mo. Then they have this safety warranty up to $20,000. So wala kang dapat ikaw worry kay High Globe kasi parang may insurance na yung mga balance or money mo kay High Globe. Then full compliance and security, secured, safe, legit. They have this SOC 2, SOC 2, SOC 3, and digital seal na talagang international certification to prove that they are secured and safe. Then referral rewards, my favorite. So meron kang every friends na may invite mo is you can both get $20. So hindi lang ikaw yung makakapag-benefit dun sa referral program nila. Yung ni-refer mo din. So both of you can get $20. Then direct US bank account. So once you sign in with High Globe, you can automatically have your own local US bank account na merong sariling account number and routing number. Then it is legit, safe, Filipino-friendly, VA-friendly, and sobrang makakatipid ka kay High Globe, unlike the other platforms na sobrang daming fees, sobrang daming hidden fees. And mataas din yung palitan kay High Globe. So to my fellow VAs, if you want to have a bigger income, zero stress on hidden fees, and faster payout, High Globe is the way to go. High Globe is the answer. So if you're wondering how to get started and you also want to make sure na I myself is also user of HiGlobe. After this video, check my pin post. There's a carousel of step by step on how you can start with HiGlobe.